Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a secure and stable internet connection using V2Ray with slow DNS, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a V2Ray Slow DNS server using the UDP Custom website and how to configure it on the ZiVPN app. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. All right, let's get started. First, open any browser on your device. In the search bar, type UDP Custom and press enter. From the search results, click on the official UDP Custom website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the menu icon, often represented by 3 horizontal lines at the top corner. Click on it to reveal the full navigation menu. Now, from the list of options, tap on V2Ray Slow DNS Server. You'll be redirected to a page where you can select a server location. Choose the one closest to your region for better speed. Next, you'll be taken to an account creation form. Simply enter a username, complete the CAPTCHA, and click on Create Now. In just a few seconds, your V2Ray Slow DNS server will be generated. Copy the V2Ray VMess link shown on the screen. You'll need this link in the next step, so make sure it's copied to your clipboard. Now it's time to configure the ZiVPN app. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your mobile device. In the search bar, type ZiVPN and hit enter. Once the app appears in the results, tap on it and click the Install button. After installation, tap Open to launch the app. On the ZiVPN home screen, make sure to check the V2Ray option box to enable V2Ray features. Then, click on the settings icon, usually at the top of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Tap on V2Ray to access the configuration panel. On the new page, tap the small plus icon at the top. Since your server details are already copied to your clipboard, this step will automatically import the V2Ray server into the app. Once the import is successful, go back to the main screen and tap the Start button to connect. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a V2Ray Slow DNS server on the ZiVPN app using the UDP Custom website. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.